Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google device to DUOQIN F22 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to, and then tap on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Google, and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of DUOQIN. Also on Google, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive button. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!